kailangan ng tao na may Sara Duterte na tatakbo ng 2028. So we need to vote pro-Duterte senators.
Now, with the current composition of Senate, do you think that they have the numbers in Senate to impeach?
I actually have written about it na. The way I see it, Attorney Karen, is this. There are many re-electionists in the Senate now. We only have two allies so far, vocal allies, like we have Senator Bongo and Senator Bato de la Rosa.
What about Robin Padilla?
He's not a re-electionist. I'm talking about the re-electionist. So these two would focus more on their campaign, of course. So we have other people who are not re-electionists. We have, Robin Padilla. And I'm also eyeing for the mentor of VP Sara, Lauren
Who's that?
Legarda.
Okay.
Also, Amy Marcos is already vocal about her support that she would block the impeachment. So we already have 5 by numbers. And if I'm not mistaken, we only need 8 for 8 senators to rule against the impeachment for the impeachment, what do you call that?
The
Articles of impeachment
articles of
would be
impeachment. I think it's 8
dismissed.
or 9, yeah.
Yeah, and so for the articles of impeachment to be dismissed, disregarded, we just need that. So I think we have the number in the current structure of the Senate.
You have the numbers to stop the impeachment.
To stop the impeachment,
And if
yeah.
there were if this happened, the trial happened after the elections, do you think that they would have the numbers to impeach Doc Richard?
Yeah, well, my suggestion for the people then, let's go for pro-Duterte talaga, as much as we can. Because we need a bigger number to be safe. It's not about protecting Sara Duterte. It's protecting that Sara should remain in the list to run as president in 2028. That's our right. Kasi ang takot namin, one thing na po yung impeachment eh. But our fear as well is ma-remove siya sa listahan na hindi siya makarun for president. And that we need to protect. Kailangan ng tao na may Sara Duterte na tatakbo ng 2028. So we need to vote pro-Duterte senator.